दोस्तों, खुशी के मारे फूले नहीं समा पा रहा हूँ। आज इतने दिनों बाद गोलगप्पे खाए। आहा, क्या मजेदार, खट्टे खट्टे मीठे मीठे गोलगप्पे और पानी का स्वाद तो बस पूछो ही मत। एंड व्हाट आई लव द मोस्ट, दैट सूखी सूखी पापड़ी आफ्टर तीखी तीखी पानी पूरी। दैट गोलगप्पे वाला यूज्ड टू गिव मी ओनली वन, बट व्हेन वी मेड इट एट होम आई हैड अ 5। क्यों दोस्तों, मुंह में पानी आ गया ना? देखो मेरे भी आ गया। What made your tongue to secrete that saliva? अब मैंने पानी पूरी खाई हो या ना खाई हो, but the words I use, the way I demonstrated, your brain catches those words and made your tongue to secrete that saliva. It is the magic of words, the power of words. In today's episode, we are going to talk about the words and its power, and when used wisely, how it can transform your life. Let's see. Friends, today's video is going to be very informative, so watch the video till the end. And if you are here for the first time, then do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Hello friends, this is Prajwal Gaikwad and you are watching the series of my motivational videos, Meaningful Life, where we help to be you want to be. Friends, I have been blessed with a strict father. I remember in my childhood when we used to live in a village where every other person knows every other person. Whole village knows my father as a strict and disciplined man. And whenever I used to do any rubbish things, most of my friends used to tease me, "Dekh, abhi tere baba tere ko marenge." I was scared of my father. Friends, I grew up in middle class Indian family, and like every other Indian family where educating kids has a prime importance, the expenses for the studies has to be planned. Even our parents kept aside a bunch of hard-earned monies to educate us. And when they invest their hard-earned money, their obvious expectation is to get a return on it, which is to secure the good ranks of their children. I remember when I was in 12th, my dad spends a lot of money on my tuitions, on my courses. And like every other teenager, I was enjoying my college days, moving out with the friends, playing cricket, watching movies, but not the studies. I can clearly remember the agony in his eyes. He used to scold me for studies every now and then, and I was like, He used to ask me to study whenever he comes in front of me. And even if I am studying in real, I used to keep my book aside just to spike him. Jao, nahi karta padhai. I was irritated by his words. But the words which my father said on the day of 12 bold results, that took me by surprise. Friends, as I have said in my previous videos, I had a fear of failing in maths. That day morning, I was with my friend Yogesh. We saw our results on an internet cafe. Somehow, I was able to clear my math. And with that 1 mark grace, secured a first class. After investing so much of money, what I have achieved is only a first class. I was scared. I was afraid of facing my dad. I went home at the noon. My dad was waiting for me. And he asked, "What's the result?" And I said, "Pass to ho gaya." And before I say something, he took his hand to his pocket and gave me money and said, "Go get some sweets and distribute among the neighbors." The words my father said that day took me by surprise. I was not at all expecting what he said. And that day I discovered the other side of my father. My results was not at all justifying the returns of his hard-earned money. I was ashamed of me. Friends, thereafter I had to leave home for my engineering, and there was nobody to pamper me for the studies. And now I didn't even wanted that to do for me. I did it my own. The words, the healing words my father said that day made me to introspect myself and made me to walk on the right path. The words have immense power. The words are power. The words, when said in an articulated manner, has the power of healing a deepest wound or can destroy someone's life. It is the power of words which can convert Siddhartha to become Lord Buddha. And it is the power of words which can convert a well-civilized civil engineer to be a terrorist. Friends, I work in steel manufacturing company, and in my profession I have seen many training sessions. Or even if you are an average guy like me, you can clearly remember in your school days, in your college days, there used to be one lecture of a teacher which you often want to flunk, or you might have taken a nap in his lecture number of times. But just after completion of the class, just after that training session, 90% of people don't know what they have just learned. Even if the trainer from the company or the teacher from the school had to convey a very beautiful message, or the training could be a lifesaver for you, still the message never get across. Whereas same you also had that one favorite teacher whose lecture you never want to miss. Why? A simple choice of words decides someone accepting or denying your message. You might have very beautiful thought to say, a very beautiful message to convey, but the said in wrong manner, it's gone. There are a lot of words which we use unknowingly, which ultimately affects our lives. What we said comes from our brain, which decides your character, and it is the words which decides your destiny. Have you ever been stressed? क्या किसी को स्ट्रेस है? अरे भाई, किसी को स्ट्रेस, परेशानी, दिक्कत, प्रॉब्लम चल रही है कि नहीं? दोस्तों, हमने स्ट्रेस, प्रॉब्लम, परेशानी, दिक्कतें, इन शब्दों का यूज कर करके, ऐसे शब्दों को बोल बोल करके एक बीमारी की जड़ बना दिया है. कभी किसी को सुना है कि परेशानी नाम की बीमारी हुई है? किसी को सुना है कि स्ट्रेस नाम की बीमारी हुई है? या किसी को दिक्कत नाम की या टेंशन नाम की? लेकिन दोस्तों, डिसीज लाइक हाइपरटेंशन, बीपी, डायबिटीज, इस सब की कारण, इस सब डिसीज का कारण जो मैंने अभी शब्द कहे वो है. लाइफ में स्ट्रेस, परेशानी, प्रॉब्लम्स, दिक्कतें किसको नहीं होती? बट इट इज जस्ट अ फ्यू % ऑफ व्हाट यू थिंक, and even if it is 100%, you have a power to normalize it. Instead of using the word like stress, परेशानी, problems, दिक्कतें, use the word challenge. बोलो कि मुझे challenge overcome करना है. I have a task to complete. And what you call stress, it is just a state of a mind. Just tell your mind that it's all okay and you will feel okay. That's how it works. And all your negative vibrations will turn into positives, and that's the power of the words. Friends, if you are a parent, then the best example is what your child do. As a responsible parent, you always want your child to do what you want. कभी आपका बच्चा शैतानी करता है तो आप बोलते हो ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना. कभी ना सुने तो डांटते हो, और कभी कभी तो एक आध थप्पड़ भी मार देते हो और बोलते हो फिर से करोगे तो बहुत मार पड़ेगी. क्या आपका बच्चा मानता है? वो फिर से वही करेगा, आप फिर से डांटोगे और यही सिलसिला चलता रहेगा. लेकिन कब तक? Nobody wants to be threatened. Nobody wants to be intimidated. अरे वो तो बच्चा है, वो नहीं जानता what's right and what's wrong. लेकिन आप तो जानते हो ना. You have a power of word. Use it wisely for yourself, for your family. Instead of telling what not to do, tell him what to do. Instead of telling ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, तो करना क्या? As a parent, you have to tell them and see the changes. Friends, why to spit a venom when you have the magical power of spreading the flowers through your words? Think positive, speak positive and try to be around positive people, and even if they are not, you have that power to make them positive. It is the magic of words. To learn more about public speaking and storytelling techniques, stay connected with me by subscribing my channel. It's absolutely free. And most of my friends ask me to send the link of my videos. So I request you to please press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will be uploading my next videos. Friends, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The links of my social media handles is in the description box below. Friends, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and do let me know about your perspective, what you think. Do post your comments. That's it for the today guys. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and stay motivated.